Hey guys, so we're at TWB Engineering, getting a couple of jobs done by Troy. So yeah, so we'll show you what we're doing. So we're at the workshop, we've got the manifold dummied up. It's just sitting ready to start welding. We've got the bottom plate mocked up and ready to go on. So show you the finished product once it's all welded up. Hi guys, so we're back home now. Spent the afternoon at TWB Engineering doing these bits and pieces. Big shout out to Troy. Thanks again, mate, for your help. Yeah, so it was a good afternoon catching up with Troy at TWB. Like I showed in the video before, and I'll show you now. This is the manifold. I'm gonna probably just clean it up a bit. Not so much the welds, because the welds are really nice. And we'll fit him up, but before I fit him up I want to clean up that master cylinder or the booster, so we'll probably put these up tonight, and then tomorrow I'll show you the finished fit up. As you can see, the booster still looks pretty average, so I'm going to clean that up and fit that on, permanent fit it. And I'll have the manifold on as well, so you'll see what that looks like. This is the water fitting. We put a few more welds on it so that I can we've grounded it back so I can clean it up a bit more. So I'll show you that tomorrow. So yeah, so basically this fitting will sit like so. You see the waterline fitting will go to there from the turbo. That brings that back to where we want it. So I'll clean that up a bit more. It's not too bad now, but we'll give it a good sand and buff up, so that'll look nice and clean like the rest of it. And it'll be all primo. So I decided to just mock it up, see how it all looked. Dang boy, does it look good. So I still got to mount up all the gasket and clean up the booster and that. So I'm going to clean the booster up, paint that black, but I'll probably do it tomorrow. But you can see how good the manifold looks. See how beautiful those welds are. Big thank to Troy at TWB Engineering, can't thank him enough. So yeah, I give it a bit of a polish to clean up, and it's about as good as it's going to get without stripping it off and getting it powder coated, which we may do later, but not at the moment. So I've bolted up the water pipe that I was talking about. As you can see, it sits nice and true. Now the pipe's only dummied on there, of course, because I've still got a couple of other things to do, but you can see how neat it looks. I've cleaned up that fitting a bit, and I've just dummied up that water line so you can just roughly see where it goes. Still got to fine tune it, but you get the rough idea. But yeah, so I'm happy with it. That's the main thing. It's all coming together, which is awesome. So tomorrow, probably just a cleaning day, I reckon. I'll clean up and sort out this radiator just so the top and all that looks a bit cleaner. So I'll just give that a buff and a clean, and I'll sort out those brackets. I'll probably pull this off and just clean that up. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to paint it tomorrow, depending if I can get all of the paint, just to finish that off. And yeah, no, it's all coming together. Can't be happier. So yeah, so with can't remember what I picked up. Something that come over from overseas. Don't know now, something. So anyway, so it come with some things. So like I said, this manifold is a G-Ready rip-off, or basically just a replication. But I got some really nice badges that came with some stuff that I ordered. And as you can see, G-Ready. So it looks awesome. I couldn't help myself. I had to put it on, and it just makes it. That's pretty cool. I'm going to do a vinyl up that goes onto here that says powered by a Tomy, because it's got the 272 Tomy cams in it. But yeah, so on to the next bit. So thanks again Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you tomorrow on the next one.